Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, 84 divide into parenthesis 6 multiplied 2 plus 10. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 84 divide. Now solve this parenthesis 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12 plus 10. Okay. So now here is one division and here is one addition. So first we have to solve division, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7 plus 10. Okay, so now 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. Okay, so the correct answer is 17. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.